Hey guys, wanna know how to fix login issues in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, login issues can be due to various reasons. Sometimes it could be your own faulty device as well, or your internet connection. So for that, once you can just restart your game, your device, or switch datas. So if you are on Wi-Fi, you can just switch to data or turn it off and on again. This should fix it. And if it doesn't, you can just simply head towards Play Store and check for updates as well. So if there are any updates, you can update it. But sometimes there could be also some faulty in the PUBG Mobile server as well. Maybe some maintenance and so on. Check out their social media for more of their updates. And the last resort is to simply clear the cache. Just simply hold the PUBG Mobile icon and head towards this icon right here, which opens the app settings. Now on the bottom right, you can see something known as clear data. Just simply select clear data and select clear all cache right here. What this does is clears out all your temporary files and makes it more smoother if there is any glitch or bugs in it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.